I'm here at Halford's, and today I'm going to talk to you about this T-bar steering lock by Simply. This steering lock is incredibly tough and easy to use. It has this yellow color on the outside, which makes it so it deters any thief from stealing your car. Another great aspect about it is that it installs in seconds. All you have to do is wrap it around the steering wheel and lock it and take the key out. The key has this unique cross key design which makes it virtually pick-proof. Another great thing about it is that it's a universal fit, and it'll even fit steering wheels with airbags.